everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome to my channel, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell button so that you can be updated every time I upload a new video. For my old subscribers, thanks for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm gonna be making some noodle soup the easy way, very quick and simple. I'm gonna be using my kettle that is boiling on the other side right here. I'm gonna be using either the shrimp flavor or the chicken flavor. I don't know which one I'm gonna use it, but I'm thinking for a change, I'm gonna make the shrimp. I don't have any shrimp to add to this, but I'm just gonna make it plain or add some chicken to it. And to this soup, I'm gonna make it in my bowl. It's easy and simple with some hot water. I'm gonna add some mixed veggies. I have my broccoli, medlin, and the mixed veggies. I have my garlic, cayenne pepper, and maybe some oregano. I'm not sure yet. And maybe I'm gonna add a piece of chicken or two to it. We'll see. I'm gonna be boiling some water in my kettle, and when the water is boiled, I'm going to add my soup in my bowl and add my garlic, cayenne pepper, and my vegetables to it, and maybe a piece of chicken or two. And I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and cook the easy way. I'll be back when the water is done boiling. I'll wait for the whistle. My water is boiling. So before I put the water in the bowl, I'm gonna add my cayenne pepper, just a little bit. The soup, I still need cayenne pepper to help with my fluid. I'm gonna add some fluid. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Some garlic, I love garlic, so I'm gonna add some garlic, a teaspoon of garlic. Garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of my tomato now, just for the color, because I'm gonna be using the flavor that comes with this soup. I'm gonna put a tiny bit. Of the now. I'm gonna add my vegetable. I'm not gonna pick like one broccoli or two to add. It's frozen. My frozen broccoli. just 1 or 2 pieces, or maybe 3 pieces. I want some broccoli in my soup. I love broccoli. And I'm gonna add my mixed veggies. And I'm gonna add my packaged that comes with the soup. The shrimp flavor. And I'm gonna add 1 or 2 chicken. Because I don't have no shrimp, I'm gonna add 1 or 2 chicken. Or maybe I'll add 3 pieces of chicken. And my boiling water. Boiling water. Oh, made a mess. That's okay. Push it down a little bit. And cover for, let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave this and I'll be back. After 5 minutes, it should be done. So my soup is done. I let it sit for 5 minutes and let's see what it tastes like. See, that is done. So there you have it. Quick and easy noodle soup. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a nice comment. And if you not just subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and join my family. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.